Hello, Newsful Beyblade here, and today I literally just got home from work, and I'm doing an unboxing video for you guys, if you can't tell. But yeah, this is the last one I'm missing. Now I know I'm doing it different, it's because it's 10:24 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so it's late. But yeah, it is Fafnir Wizard Fafnir F5. So yeah. And the Hyper Spear thing is 4 as a clock and 2, whatever. But yeah. Let's get into this, and I will be doing testing later on tomorrow. For me, when you see this, you'll be seeing this today. Same time as I'm doing this, and okay. Here we go, Wizard Fafnir. Again, no rubber. I'll show you here's the QR code. That sucks, no rubber though. Okay. And here's there we go, and the driver. Here's the driver. But yeah, this is gonna be a shorter video than normal. But oh god, I'm looking at that hollowed out. God damn, freaking light. Even lighter. Let's see. Yeah, even lighter than this one of my favorites out of this series, Hasbro, baby. But yeah, let's check out the slopes. Oh, still loose as hell. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.